Tonight, one driver blows a stop sign, causes a brutal crash, then keeps driving like nothing happened. Sex. But here's the twist. When police catch up to her, she claims she didn't hit anyone and says she's the one who got hit. Stay to the end, because the officer says one sentence that destroys her story, and it's all on camera.
10-9. You okay, dude? You alright?
Yeah.
You injured?
No, I'm okay.
Yeah, it was a brown or beige Saturn, black female driver, younger. I'm out with the other driver. He's advising so far no injuries, but there is airbag deployment. Maylee and Caroline. I've got rescue coming for you just to take a look at you and make sure you're okay, alright? You just getting off of work?
Yeah.
Heading home, huh?
Yeah.
Didn't even stop at the stop sign. Didn't. Who? Did somebody else get hit? Yeah, he's good, I think. Did you get hit? Okay. You want to get out or you want to chill where you're at? It's up to you.
I need to just chill real quick.
Yep, you're good. You're good, man. Take your time. All right, so real quick before I get you your case number and everything, you want to press charges for the hit and run? Yeah. Okay, we have a female up the street detained that I'm going to go and identify because I saw her driving. If it's her, she's going to go to jail, okay?
Yeah.
So just raise your right hand for me. You swear that everything in the statement you're about to give is true to the best of your ability?
Yes, sir.
And you understand that filing a false report in Florida is a criminal offense and you can be charged for doing so?
Yes.
Okay, state your name and today's date.
Juan Marty, what was today? 4/1/22.
Yep. And what happened today?
I got in an accident, hit and run.
Okay, did you see the vehicle?
Yes.
What color was the vehicle?
Tannish brown?
Did you see the driver at all?
No.
And did the vehicle stop and check on injuries?
No.
Did they attempt to exchange information with you or call the police
No.
for a report? Do you want to press charges for the hit and run?
Yes.
Perfect. Let me get you a case number and I'll get you out of here. The record will be here in just a second. Hey, Russo's got one detained. Apparently she admitted to being the driver. I'm going to go up there and take a look at her. If you just want to wait for record, I'm going to grab him his case number and then he's good.
You driving this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Turn around, put your hands on your back.
Yeah,
Turn around, put your hands on your back.
cousin, just relax. Somebody just hit and ran her.
You just hit and ran somebody else. Yeah, you did.
Sir, somebody hit me.
Listen to me. Relax.
Lexi, calm down. Let me call Teddy on the phone.
41 Central, 11012.
Relax.
Relax.
Call Lexi.
Relax. Bitch of the guild. I asked her if she was driving. She said yes. Somebody hit and ran her, and she took off.
Can I get up on the call, sister?
Yeah.
This is my little cousin.
Female for a search.
I gotta
Give me a
call
chance.
Carol.
600 Speedway.
Somebody gotta come and get me. They'll come. Let me see your phone.
Are you okay? Are you injured?
Yes.
Why did you flee the scene?
Because I was
What's your name?
scared,
What's your name
sir.
first? Talk to me real quick, all right? I'm sorry for doing that to you right now, but I have to put you in handcuffs. Listen to me.
Okay,
What's
my
your
name
first
is
name?
Alexis.
All right, listen to me real quick, all right? Alexis, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used as evidence against you. You have the right to talk to an attorney or have him or her with you now or anytime you're in question. If you cannot afford it, an attorney won't be appointed to represent you. If at any time you wish to stop talking or have an attorney present, all questioning will be stopped at your request. You understand your rights? Okay. Explain to me why you ran.
Okay.
Or why you
I
drove
was
away.
coming out, so when I drove out, the police hit their lights.
Okay.
But when the police hit their lights, I kept going. But when I kept going, I already turned, their lights were off. So me thinking they're trying to get around me, so I kept going. You feel me? I was scared. I know I have no license, so I got scared. I panicked.
Okay.
So I kept going. As I kept going, I did not hit them, sir. As me going, they was coming out and they bashed into the side of the car. You can see I didn't hit them.
I can see that.
I didn't hit them at all, sir. If I hit them, their front thing would have been messed up. My whole side is messed up from the tire.
Do you have ID in your purse?
Yes.
Can I grab it?
Yes. And I came here because the car was making a bad noise.
You should have stopped.
You're correct. But like, will I get a bond?
What?
Will I get a bond? How much?
I don't know what your charges are right now. You might have a fleeing charge.
Your mama.
Come on, I got a scarf on. Relax, all right? It's an accident, okay?
Okay. You just do what you gotta do.
Nothing in the car, guns, drugs, weapons, anything like that. Just be honest now, because we're gonna look through it. Do you have anything in there you're worried about? No? So, you saw the cop lights, and you got nervous because you didn't have a license?
No, I saw the cop. Like, I went out as the police was coming in and was for me to stop. I was already at the stop sign, so it's my goal.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Right there by you finna go to Soul City. I'm straight. The police is coming to their stop sign. I'm already at the stop sign. It's my goal to go. So I went. The police hit the lights. I stopped. I kept going, but they turned their lights off, and I kept going. As I kept going, they were still behind me. They wasn't behind me, but then they flashed their lights again. I was already by the street where I got hit at. As me still going, it's no stop signs there. So as me still, no, it was, I stopped, and then I kept going. And then the white car was not supposed to come out as me going. So the white car hit me, and that's when I lost control of the car, and I grabbed the car back and pressed on the brakes. If I didn't, I would not be here right now. I would have hit the pole. So
Did you make a complete stop at that stop sign before you kept going?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yes, I did. I made a complete stop sign at the stop sign. It was my goal to go.
Okay.
I don't see how.
We're gonna figure it out.
Well, I'm leaving now, but I feel bad because she pulled in and she did tell us to call the police because somebody hit her.
Okay.
And she was scared.
Okay.
So, but I'm leaving now. So is she gonna be okay?
No, she's going to jail. Because she fled from me before she crashed into somebody and then fled from the scene.
Lexi, just stop
Positive
back
ID.
and listen to what he's saying.
Okay, you almost crashed into me at South and Jean. When you pulled out in front of me on Caroline, okay? So I lit you up, you started to stop, and then you just took off. Then you blew the stop sign when you turned eastbound on Maley and crashed into that poor guy on his way home from work, and you kept on driving. Yes, you did. I watched it happen. When you don't stop at stop signs, it doesn't matter if he hits you, it's your fault. And you're required by Florida law to stop and make sure they're okay. Okay? If you would have just stopped, it never would have happened. I wasn't even going to write you a ticket. Okay? Whether your license is valid or not, I don't have time for stuff like that. I would have addressed the violation and I would have sent you on your way. But you didn't stop, then you ran a stop sign and almost killed that guy. His car is totaled, and so is yours probably.
Oil?
Yeah.
Slipping all over the place.
Whatever the hell that is.
Can I tow this car back to the house?
Do you have yeah, if you guys want to use your own tow company, I'm okay with that.
I can call Buddy.
Normally, if it's a hit and run, we tow it to our record because it gets held for the investigation. But she's been identified as the driver because I watched her do it. So.
I just went out of town. I was going to see my grandbaby.
Is it registered to you or it's registered to her?
Actually, it's registered to my mother-in-law.
Okay. No driver's license? Okay.
But the car belongs to me.
Okay, that's fine. I'm okay with that. Just because she's been identified, there are no major injuries. I'll let you guys take it.
What kind of bond am I looking at?
Let's see. She's going to be charged with aggravated fleeing and eluding.
Yes, sir.
Hit and run with injury. And driving without a license. So her bond, the DWLS is going to be $500. The hit and run with injury will be $5,000, and the aggravated fleeing and eluding will be $5,000. So 10 grand. About $1,500 if you get a bondsman.
10%.
You're not on probation for anything?
No. Actually, I just went out of town.
What's your relation to her?
That's my daughter.
Okay. Do you want to take her property?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna check it real quick just to make sure there's nothing illegal in it because she is in custody, and then I'll let you.
You want me to keep the charger in? And got his paid.
She almost killed that guy. His car is totaled.
Oh, his car.
Completely totaled.
He almost killed me.
No, you ran the stop sign. Okay. I understand that he hit your car, but you have to stop and yield to oncoming traffic.
That come from the car?
When you're crossing another street, when you're crossing another street, you have to stop and wait for oncoming traffic. Not to mention, honestly, your biggest concern right now is the fleeing charge. Because had you not done that, the crash never would have happened. Even if you stopped at the stop sign.
That's what's costing the most?
The crash.
He wouldn't have took you to jail for no license.
I'm not going to take you to jail for driving with no license.
You just would have had a ticket to pay. Go to court and you would have had to take a class.
Possibly not even that.
I probably wouldn't even have written her a ticket for driving.
Yeah.
I would have just had her pull over.
Y'all know, Lena, there's so much going on. Look at the jump that happened yesterday.
But when she takes off,
But see, I I didn't know all the rest of that.
If he takes off and then
But I
crashes
told
into
him he
somebody,
wasn't going to go to jail for no
my
driving
hands
on
are tied, and
license.
he wants to press charges for the hit and run as well. So, like, if for future reference, let's say you did stop at the stop sign. Let's say the fleeing, all that stuff, forget about all that. Let's say you were just driving home, you stop at a stop sign, somebody hits you. Even if it's their fault, if you take off, you're still going to get charged for the hit and run. You still have a duty in the state of Florida to stop and make sure that there's no injuries and insurance information or file, even if you're not at home.
We'll get you some numbers. Give me a second. Can you unlock it? Thank you. And you had some money in your pocket, so I'm going to count it really quick.
Can I get like $40 out of my purse from the girl right there?
Do you want your purse to go with you?
No, I just want money out of it.
Okay.
So I can put it on the phone.
Well, this is all the money that you had in your pocket. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, give me a second. And then
No,
you have...
keep my phone and talk to Dabo. Tell him what happened.
What charge to go to, the white one?
Yes, the Android one.
The Android?
So you have $4.29, and you want $40 out of your purse? Is it in a wallet?
No, it's just
In there? Okay. All right, get in the car and I'll get it for you. Watch your foot.
All right, let's break down what we just watched, step by step, and keep it factual. One stop sign, one brutal impact, and then a decision that turned a crash into a criminal case. Here's the timeline as it appears on camera. Police arrive to a serious crash scene. The victim's airbags are deployed, the car is heavily damaged, and he's visibly shaken, on his way home from work. The key detail the victim reports is simple. The other vehicle didn't stop at the stop sign, crashed, and then kept going. Then the officer takes a sworn statement. That matters because it locks in the victim's report in a formal way. In plain English, it's not just what someone said, it's a statement given under oath. Up the street, another unit has a woman detained. At this point, the question is she the driver? Or just someone caught near the scene? And that's where the story splits into two narratives. On camera, the detained driver explains she panicked because she doesn't have a license. She says she saw police lights, got scared, and kept going. Then she makes the most important claim. She says she didn't hit anyone, that a white car hit her, causing her to lose control. Now, pause right there. A claim like that can be true, false, or partially true. We can't see every angle from Bodycam alone. But what we do have is a direct contradiction. The officer states he personally watched her roll the stop sign, crash into the victim, and keep driving. Even if someone believes they weren't at fault, leaving the scene is where things spiral. Because after a crash, the law doesn't only care about blame, it also cares about duty. Duty to stop, duty to check injuries, duty to exchange information, duty to report. This is a textbook example of panic decision-making. A lot of people think, if I keep going, I can avoid the ticket, avoid the trouble, avoid the consequences. But panic doesn't erase consequences, it multiplies them. If you're driving without a license, the fear is real. But the moment you flee, you risk adding far more serious charges, plus you increase the chance someone gets hurt. One detail people will debate is the word injury. Early on, the victim reports no major injuries. Later, the discussion mentions hit and run with injury. We don't have full medical context in this clip. Sometimes that can mean an initial complaint, soreness, minor treatment, or simply how the incident is classified while being evaluated. The safe, fair takeaway is this. The crash was severe, and the risk of injury was absolutely real. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. After a crash, especially one like this, do these basics. 1. Pull over safely and stop. 2. Check if anyone is hurt and call 911 if needed. 3. Exchange information. 4. Stay until law enforcement clears you, even if you think you weren't the cause, even if you're scared. Leaving is what turns a moment into a case. Also, think about the victim. He's just trying to get home. His car is wrecked, his night is destroyed, and he's left dealing with shock, insurance, repairs, and lost time. And on the other side, a family shows up suddenly facing arrest, bond, towing, and a legal mess. That's why one bad decision at a stop sign can hit more than one person. Now I want to hear from you. Keep it respectful and fact-based. Do you think fear of being stopped ever explains fleeing, even for a second? And if you were the officer, what would you focus on first? The crash details, the fleeing, or the license issue? Drop your take below because your perspective is often the best part of these breakdowns. If you want more real-world body cam breakdowns, subscribe and turn on notifications. We post cases where a split-second choice creates a chain reaction, so we can learn from it, not repeat it. A stop sign isn't a suggestion, and after a crash, stopping isn't optional. It's the difference between an accident and a charge.